There's not a lot involved. I'm going to talk today about your YouTube channel trailer, and we're going to make this short and sweet. The first thing you want to do is start with a hook. And that's just a question. That can be something like, do you absolutely love rock art but have no idea where to find it? Do you love to read and want your kids to read too? Do you think that laughing every day is super important? You know, things like this. These are ways to get people immediately intrigued by your trailer. So the first thing you want to do is start with a hook, which is a question. And then the second thing you want to do is just introduce yourself and build credibility. So for me, for example, is, hi, I'm Sheri Barbera. I've been using video to market my businesses for over 11 years. I founded Zazumi to use my years of experience with YouTube to teach other business owners how to market and grow their business and make more money with video. So just a simple way to get your viewer to know why they should want to watch you. Then number 3 is show videos and images. Don't just talk. And this is so important because it is video. It's a visual medium, and it gives you the opportunity to expand on what you're saying visually with B-roll, with video clips, with photos, graphics, text, anything that's going to make your trailer more interesting. You can still voice over, but it's better to have visual. The pictures are going to be what's more memorable. Then number 4 is to state your point of view. And that's also known as a unique selling proposition in business. So what does that mean? It just means, what do you do that's different from everybody else? For Zazumi, we teach business professionals how to boost their income, influence, and impact with YouTube. It's about learning how to use YouTube to market yourself and strategize and gain more clients and customers, et cetera, et cetera. But if I said all of that stuff and I went on and on and on, you would click away because that's boring. So you just need a very concise sentence about what is it that you do. You can expand a little bit, but you don't really need to because you can show pictures of what you're talking about and video of what you're talking about. The next thing is to share your backstory. Why are you actually doing this? And in this case, it's because we just want to help small business owners understand how to use YouTube so that if another hideous world event or Mother Nature comes along and smashes your business, like has happened to us 3 times, if you have a digital business and are online, that is not going to happen. You are still going to be able to survive whatever happens and thrive. So that's the reason why we're doing it. Why are you doing it? Keep it interesting, intriguing, and short. And then end with a clear, valuable call to action. A clear call to action is subscribe to my channel. But what's the value in that? Why would people care? A better call to action is subscribe to my channel to keep learning more about how YouTube can grow your business, how YouTube can boost your business, how you can find more customers and clients, how you can experience rock art off the beaten path, how you can engage your kids and your grandchildren with amazing picture books that will expand their minds, and with a clear call to action that's valuable, not just a call to action.
It doesn't look like a lot of people do that. A lot of people say why you should subscribe to the channel. People just say, please subscribe, please like, please ring the bell.
And
you're right.
This is the reason why people don't. You know, it's like
it seems
you give them a reason.
Up until a minute ago, I thought CTA was you're doing me a favor, but now what you're saying is the CTA is I'm going to do you a favor.
Well, think about it. What do I care about? What I care about is how do you help me, right? So by just saying subscribe to the channel, that's saying just help me. You know, just help me, the person that's asking to subscribe. Why do I care about that, right? So subscribe to my channel so I can help you, blah, blah, blah. That's
good point.
Yeah, I mean, why else would people care about subscribing? They don't. Why should
Yeah.
they follow you on Facebook, or why should they connect with you on LinkedIn? What kind of value is that going to provide them? They don't care about you. They care
Good
about
point.
them. And what can you do for them? And that's the reason why your trailer needs to be short, punchy, concise, intriguing, hooky, informational, and then boom, call to action. And that's
Okay, good.